You have a problem and the internet knows how to fix it. Top 10 ways to make and save money. 12 habits of wealthy people. 3 steps to 1 million. I mean, there are blogs, articles, posts, even catchy phrases like, gotta spend money to make money. So if the solution is out there and you're consuming it, why aren't you there yet? We're pretty sure it's because you've misidentified your problem.
Right. If you had a splinter, you wouldn't use an inhaler. It's not your income. You don't seek out a better paying job, right? This video helps you identify where you're poor, so you can find a solution that over time and with determination really will help you be rich. Something else that will help you get rich is hitting the subscribe button with determination. All right, let's get started.
To be real rich or real poor, there are 3 things that need to agree. What you know, what you believe, and how you behave. Look at these cards to help you visualize it. Blue is good and represents a richness. Red is not so good and represents lack or poverty. This doesn't necessarily have to do with money, because even with little money, you can be real rich because the 3 levels of being are in sync. Real rich is when you have a good knowledge, a committed belief, and proactive behavior. So a real rich person has some type of knowledge, be it a study like science or a skill like marketing. They believe in their knowledge and ability to use it, and they act accordingly. They work, they fail, but they keep going. That is real rich. Real poor is the opposite. Bad knowledge, pessimistic doubt, and zero motivation to do anything.
Now you know the baselines for real rich and real poor, but the combinations in between are much more interesting. Let's talk about fake rich first. This one is easy to spot when you're looking for it, and sometimes even when you'd rather avoid it. Many financial ads marketing the genius of trading gurus follow the pattern. They are proactive. I mean, they are putting their ad out there and hustling a product. They may also have full belief that they can do it and trust in their system or strategy or whatever it is that they're selling. The issue comes down to the knowledge. Maybe they know more about selling than they do about trading, or maybe what they think they know based on flimsy evidence. Therefore, their knowledge is poor. So the combination of poor knowledge, rich belief, and rich behavior can be defined as fake rich.
There is another kind of fake rich that you may know personally. They don't know much, whatever the topic. They haven't really specialized in any way, including earning and managing money. Next, they don't really believe that they can, or have the belief that they don't really need to achieve. The way they see it, they are fine with the appearance of being rich and don't care how authentic it is. They spend where they shouldn't. Prop cash, new cars, costly habits. They look rich because they have stuff. But actually they have amassed really little wealth. You get it. Poor knowledge, poor belief, rich acting equals fake rich.
If you have seen any of yourself in these 2 types, now you know you've got what it takes to walk the walk. So just sweeten your knowledge a bit, find the winning attitude, and you're on your way. Speaking of attitude, let's go over fake poor. This one's more difficult to fix than fake rich because it comes down to actually doing. Remember, fake rich is still doing. It is easier to change direction when you are moving, but if you are stationary, you can't change anything. So look out, fake poor. Your behavior's gotta give.
That's right. In this scenario, you know a lot. You know good stuff. Let's say it's graphic design. You have experience, you know the software. Yeah, let's even say you're confident that you are one of the best. So you really believe in yourself. But here's where you mess up the end game. You're not disciplined. You don't show up to work, you eat out for every meal, and you spend a bunch of money on the latest products when you already have 5 that work. This is fake poor because with the talent and enthusiasm that you have, you should be wildly successful. If you know you're the best, then expect the best of yourself. And, well, what if you don't know you're the best?
The poverty that is the most difficult to cure is a poor attitude. The doubt when you actually think that you yourself are not worth a shot. What's tragic in this type of fake poor is that you have something, real human capital. You know a skill, a study, maybe you know cars really well, but you don't think you could actually be a mechanic. So you don't go for it. You continue stocking vending machines because to you that's the best you've got. Well, snap out of it.
It's easy to say snap out of it, but we understand it is hard to do. Here's a thought. You have a problem and the internet knows how to fix it. And now that you know what you need, comment below. Where do you stand on the scale? What are your goals? What do you want us to cover next? Hit the notification bell so you can be updated when we cover your topic. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Perry Penny.